Welcome students. In this video we are going to see about lesson 4 hypertext preprocessor. This is covered in Tamil Nadu textbook. What is PHP? PHP is a web-based application program and it is a server-side scripting language. For example, www.mccschool.edu.in. In this website, all the informations are stored in a web server, and this website is designed using PHP and HTML. PHP creates dynamic and interactive web pages in the real-time web development projects. What you should know? So you should know HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, JavaScript. This you already studied in 11th standard itself. It is used to design a web page. What do I need? So you need exam server or WAMP server, Notepad++, web browser, Firefox, Google Chrome. Exam server to run the program, Apache server. Notepad++ to write the coding, web browser to see the output. Either you can use Firefox or Google Chrome. Syntax for PHP: less than, question mark, PHP. This is the opening tag. Echo is used to display any message. Single quotes, semicolon, question mark, greater than symbol. So this is the closing tag. Variables. Variables are containers for storing information. There are some rules to create a variable name. Variable name must always begin with the dollar symbol. For example, $A, $B, $X, $Y. Variable name can never start with the number. For example, $7A is wrong, $A7 is correct. Case sensitive. You should not give capital letter to create a variable name. Keywords are not allowed. For example, if, for, while, do while. So you should not give these keywords as a variable name. Data types: string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null, resource. String data type. It will accept only alphabets. For character, we have to use string as a data type. For numbers 0 to 9, you have to use integer as a data type, whole numbers. For decimal value, you have to use float as a data type. For double long value, boolean, true or false condition. Array, multiple values in a single variable. That is, you have a separate lesson. Object, this we have to use in class. Null, it is a single value. Resource for database connections. Example program using PHP to display one message. Start all programs, Notepad++, click file, take a new page, type the program. Less than, question mark, PHP, echo, single quotes, type the message, MCC school, question mark, greater than symbol, PHP. Then you have to save the file. Click file, click save. In this folder, you have to select C colon exam, click exam and click htdocs folder. Inside the htdocs folder, you have to save the file. Then here you have to give the file name mcc.php. You have to give the file extension also. Then you have to select the file type. File type is hypertext preprocessor PHP. Then select exam control panel, select Apache server, start, minimize. Next, click file, click save, htdocs, then again give the file name, mcc.php, then select the file extension hypertext preprocessor, click save, then open any web browser. Here localhost / the file name, that is mcc.php. Now you will see the output. So the output is Madras Christian College Higher Secondary School. So this is the output. It is used to display only the message. Next, operators: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, increment or decrement operator, logical operator, string operators. First one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Arithmetic operator: addition, add two numbers, subtraction, subtract two numbers, multiplication. Difference between division and modulus is division will display only the quotient, modulus will display only the remainder remainder. It is otherwise called as remainder operator. Take a new page, less than question mark PHP $x equal to 10 semicolon $y equal to 5 semicolon echo space $x plus $y semicolon question mark greater than symbol. Click file, save, file name, add dot, .php, select the file extension PHP hypertext preprocessor, click save. Now open Google Chrome, localhost / then type the file name. File name is add.php. So the answer is 15. Now you will see 15. Next, assignment operator. It will assign values to a variable. X is equal to 5. X plus is equal to 5. That is x is equal to x plus 5. X minus is equal to 5. That is x is equal to x minus y. X into is equal to y. That is x is equal to x into y. X slash is equal to y. That is x is equal to x slash y. Comparison operator. It will compare two values greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, identical, not equal, not equal, not identical. Increment and decrement operators plus plus $b pre-increment, $b plus plus post-increment, minus minus $b pre-decrement, $b minus minus post-decrement. Plus plus $b, that is first it will increment the value, then only it will assign. Next, post increment, first it will assign, then only it will increment the value. Pre decrement, first it will decrement the value, then only it will assign. Post decrement, first it will assign the value, then only it will decrement. This increment and decrement operator we can use it in for statement. Logical operator, AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, XOR operator. AND operator, $x, $y. True if both $x and $y. OR operator, either $x and $y is true. NOT operator, true if $x is not true. XOR, true if either $x or $y is true but not both. String operators, concatenation. It will add two strings. That is, for example, first name plus last name is equal to full name. Add two strings, add two words. So this is the example for string operators. Students, try these example programs. Area of triangle, to find simple interest, to find area of circle, to find perimeter of a circle, to find net salary of an employee. Try these programs. Thank you for watching this video.